Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Baby Jogger City Tour 2 Double. Now this one has just came into stock, so we are very eager to open it and see how easy or how hard it is to assemble. So let's get started. Just open it. So what have you got? You got some wheels. And these look like back wheels. What else? Packaging. Lots of packaging. Let's get them out of the way. More packaging. More packaging. More packaging. So let's. I find that the easiest way to get these out of the box is pull it from the side. So let's see how we go with this, eh? Done that. Let's put this out of the way first. More packaging, more packaging. Well, at least you know it's well packaged, right? Okay, so let's open it first. Where is it? So there's always a clip on the side. So let's open this first. Unclip. Oops. Unclip. Open. More packaging. Let's lift the handle up. Just press this one. Cool. Again, heaps of packaging. Okay. Front wheel. Another front wheel. So let's put the front wheel on first. Like that. So these are the front wheels. Let's put the back wheels on. I think it's actually done. This would have to be one of the quickest assemblies I've ever had to do. All I had to do was just unopen it. Basically, I just unopen it and put the wheels on. You can't get easier than this. So look, let's have a quick look at how things go. The canopies are good. It just opens up. The footrest is all good. And to go down. This is all good. Let's put down the seat. Let's have a quick try at just folding it to see if everything's good. The brakes are all good. So let's. Oops, that's not right. I don't think this was in properly. Yep. That's better. That's better. Now we know it's all good, ready to travel. Yep. Let's fold it. This one. Like that, and I believe you just pull and it's done. It's actually really good, extremely easy. So let's open it again. Open. There's always a lock on these clamps. Oops, sorry. That's it. Undo the brakes and off we go. That is truly the easiest assembly. I didn't even really assemble anything. Basically, I just opened it and put the wheels on. So look, the Baby Jogger City Tour 2 Double is on display and now available at Banana Baby.